Munangagwa never fought in the liberation struggle. Azvipere moshe panapa takuchiva kuti people they are now having solid evidence irinyatso kuprova kuti the Zimbabwean leader aiwa macritics anobuda achitaura achiti is never take part in the liberation struggle zvakubuda chokwadi. We are now seeing mapictures aiwa amuri kuona ekubelarus akabata firearms izvo zvisati apinda masvika kudanirwa panapa tobva subscribe like on the bell kuti ipinda panapa muzinvimbo aimobudanirwa muchinzi. The incident has taken on sharper political meaning following a 2019 press conference board statement by Comrade Karen Kazingizi, a seasoned former guerrilla combatant. In quotes, Emerson Mnangagwa didn't fight in the liberation struggle, Kazingizi recently declared. He was only handpicked by Robert Mugabe to displace and divide the real fighters. Their comment, widely shared across veteran networks, reflects deepening rifts within ZANU-PF's liberation war generation, many of whom believe Mnangagwa has falsely projected himself as a wartime field commander when in fact he served in administrative or intelligence support roles outside the combat zones. A senior male war veteran advised ZimI on Sunday saying, "It is the shoulder that holds in its position. You can not hold a gun like that. The hand will be pushed away or injured. Freedom fighter or political infiltrator." Mnangagwa has long used the rhetoric of war heroism to fortify his image. His infamous nickname, the Crocodile, has been marketed as a symbol of wartime resilience, but critics argue it stems more from post-war political maneuvering and internal pegs than any battlefield command. Kazingizi's statement, now paired with this firearm gaff, presents a visual metaphor of someone performing the image of a soldier without the grounding of real frontline experience. Ndomasho varikubuda panguva ino vanhu vachizova nesolid evidence yekuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yezimbabwe aiwa ino take part in the liberation war. Tidze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Buda comment section medu, subscribe or like, choto on the bell icon.